Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a Chinese soup, Wintermelon and Ham Soup. It's light and refreshing and super quick and easy to make, as it doesn't require any special techniques. Anyone can make it. Here are all the ingredients we need. Now let's get started. This wintermelon was actually grown in my backyard, so it's super fresh and organic. First off, let's cut about a half-pound slice of wintermelon. Remove the seeds and any other fibrous material from the middle. Then use your knife to cut off the skin. Cut the melon into strips about 1 to 2 inches long, 1 inch wide, and 1/4 inch thick. Now we'll cut the ham into strips 1/4 inch wide. We also need to mince the ginger. You'll need 1 tablespoon. Slice a piece of green onion into strips. You can use either chili oil or chili bean paste, like this one. And that's it for the preparation. Let's cook the soup. Bring the water or chicken broth to a boil. Add ham, wintermelon, ginger, and salt. Simmer for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the melon strips become translucent and tender. Add black pepper and chili oil or chili bean paste, depending on how spicy you would like it to be. Test the broth and adjust the taste if desired. Sprinkle green onions on top, then turn off the heat. Serve and enjoy the light and cozy soup. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.